Hello everyone, welcome to Sushti Outy Vlogs. My name is Shivraj Sarai. You all are so lucky to see me in a vlog. I respect myself and I'm happy for you all that you can see me. Okay?
Too much stuff. Hello driver.
Hello miss.
Hello. Show me your outfit.
मला जे comfortable ह्याला असेल driving ला ते मी घालणार.
Show me your outfit.
Comfortable.
It is what it is. मला हे sentence कळलं.
Chalo. We're all packed. Ready for the picnic. Woohoo! Yeah! Hello guys, welcome to yet another vlog with Sakshi&Nupur. So it's a picnic day. We three are going to a picnic and we are going at Rihe Dam. Rihe Dam at Hinjewadi.
And Hinjewadi.
And Nupur is our driver. She's a very responsible and a good driver.
Yeah.
I'm proud of her.
We are.
Yes. We were inspired by Pinterest to do this picnic.
Yeah.
It was like
as it is a trend, so
yes, the pictures were like so aesthetically pleasing.
Stalk some people. We'll stalk some people. That's okay. That's what social media is for.
Hopefully it doesn't rain today. I hope the weather.
The weather is nice.
Yeah, the weather is actually nice today.
The way we wanted.
ये बघू पण शकत नाही तिकडे. नको बघू. It's okay.
I am super excited. We are gonna go and set up the whole picnic.
दिन रात है साया बाही में चुप हो जा बाय का बच्चा.
We're going to set up the whole picnic there. We have carried mats, bed sheets, and everything you'll see. Obviously, all essentials. Okay, catch you at the Rihe /dam. Snack time. Making a quick pit stop for some snacks. Because what is picnic without snacks, of course. We have reached. What a beautiful place. We are at the Rihe Dam. We have found our spot.
What a view! What a place!
Finally, there is a car. There are the people watching us. What these girls are doing. It started to rain. We wanted to set up the picnic, but it's raining outside and we can't take the stuff out. And these people have started to eat because we all are hungry. But keep some stuff for the picnic, huh?
What picnic?
Hello, Sakshi. Keep some stuff for the picnic.
Yeah, dude.
Hopefully the rain will stop in few minutes and then we can go out and do the picnic thing.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. It's very hot. The rain has stopped and we are unpacking. We are taking everything. I'll help you.
No, you can carry so much stuff. I'm able to carry. I'll help you, bitch.
Okay, there's still one more basket and a water bottle.
Just look how aesthetic our bag is. I cannot wait to take pictures.
So
I have my
We have packed everything. Your bag. Wait, we took a fuck.
एक पण सामान पडलं ना झालं चाललंय. काय तू विदाउट एनी
So cute. I am so proud with the view and everything. Like, wow. Now we're gonna eat all this. But I've never been so proud. This is so aesthetically pleasing. Like, bye. So we're going to start eating now. We have clicked many pictures and videos, and the view is so beautiful. Like, and these beautiful people with a beautiful view. Like, it's so pleasant. Now we're going to eat and chill.
12 seconds later.
It started to rain, guys. Now we are going back into the car, and it was such a mess. Such a fun time. Finally inside of the car, eating our. So we are finally in the car after eating half food. आणि पाऊस थांबलेला आहे. सो आम्ही परत चाललोय फोटो काढायला विथ सेम एनर्जी.
Now we are going on that dam over there, and we have to like go through this muddy area. RIP white shoes. It's okay. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है.
Look over there. Wow.
So pretty. There's like a mini waterfall over here. There. And our pro driver.
I'm so proud of you. Woo! देखा तुमको जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा.
We are back home thanks to this amazing driver. She did a very great job driving the car and everything.
We had very bad experiences also.
Yeah, we're not gonna talk about it.
We are so tired.
I am also super tired, and we had a lot of fun today.
But we are gonna end this vlog over here.
Yes, we are right in front of our house, so I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you like this vlog.
Do visit the place. It's a beautiful place.
Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and
Share,
follow her
like,
on
Instagram. Share, like, and also
tap that bell icon.
Yes, and thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.